Hi everyone. So in this video, we'll discuss about the review options in NavisWorks, how we can measure the distance, how we can uh, give the markups, how we can add the tags and give the comments as well for some kind of clashing things or some kind of reviewing thing as well. So let's start. First of all, this is our fifth episode of NavisWorks. If you did not check it out, the previous four episodes of NavisWorks, please check those one as well. So now, first of all, I'm in my review tab in NavisWorks. So we'll go one by one. First of all, we'll discuss all the measure options right there. So let's start now. So right here you can see the two holes, the outer periphery. What we wanted to measure the distance in between these two, x value, y value, and z value as well, and how we can differentiate all those kind of things as well that we'll discuss. So first of all, we'll start with measure. I'll click on drop. Right now, there are a lot of options. We can go with point to point as of now. I'll click one point right there, and I'll click another point at another wall. Okay. So I have randomly clicked 2 points. So maybe it will be straight, maybe it will be having some elevation, horizontal differences as well. So right here you can see this is my first point, this is my second point. So directly you can see that's inclined, right? So also you can see, first of all, I'll move out from my command. Also you can see there are four values. First one is the orange one, 15.8, sorry, 15.585. That was the distance where I have selected these 2 points. Okay, so that is the actual line that I have created by 2 points. Now, what is the x value? X value, you can see this is the red line. Okay, it's highlighting the color as well. This red line means the distance between this wall to this wall, the shortest distance we can consider horizontally in x direction. If I'll talk about why is, if I'll zoom in right there, you can see this is the green line right there. So it is the distance in between this point's projection right there at this wall is the same wall, and this is the shortest distance in y direction. Okay, what is the z value? 0.124. If I'll zoom in right there, you can see this is the blue line is right there. So what does it mean? It means what I selected right there and this point, if there is any elevation in between these 2 points, the value of that one is the Z1, and that is 0.124. Okay, so all four values we can get from right there. But imagine I wanted to go with X value only, like the straight one. So how I can measure that one? Yeah, of course from right there as well. But I don't want to uh, look like all four dimension. I do not need to check that one. So what I'll do, I'll select both the balls right there. I'll go with the shortest distance. Fine. In between these two elements, shortest distance is 15.560. This is the same one that we have measured in S direction. Okay. This one more another way. If I'll go with this one point to point, and I'll go with by locking my x-axis. It means I'm locking that my cursor will move in x direction only. So I'll click on the first point, and sorry, I click on my second point. You can see this is also the same value right there. Okay, and I'll move out my command. Now also right here we can see that convert to markup. If I click on that one, it'll show me that it has already converted as a viewpoint as a markup. If I'll move out my command, if I'll click on this viewpoint, I'll jump into that particular comment that we have highlighted. Okay, right now I'm not going with that one, so I'll remove that one and I'll delete my viewpoint as well. Okay, so we have covered all the major options that we have in this one. Now we'll move on to the markup options that we have right now. So imagine right there we can see that the door and the column were clashing with each other. So how we can rectify that one? So there are a lot of options. On that basis we can mark that particular portion. I'll go with cloud as of now, sorry, elliptical as of now. And as I have drawn the elliptical right there in saved viewpoint, you can see the viewpoint is created. We can double click on that and we can add some comment right there as well. Door clashing with column. Okay, the same thing. Okay, I have to move on right there, and I have moved from this command. So what I'll do, first of all, I'll add some comment right there as well. Door and column. column is clashing with each other. Okay, I have written some comment right there as well. Yeah. And now I'll click on that, right click on that, and will update my comment. So it will be updated as of now. If you're moved out of your particular viewpoint, after that also, like imagine right now we have added this comment, but I I wanted to add some more things right now, but it's updated, correct? So how we can do that thing? The same thing that we have already updated that one. So if I wanted to add some more point right there, ABC something like that, whatever it is. I click on OK. I'll go to the save viewpoint, right click and update it. Okay. Control 1 again for the cursor command. So I'll click on that one again. It'll show me the latest one, what I have commented. Okay, so we have commented as text as a markup. We can change the color of that particular this cloud. First of all, I'll go with the erase command. If I click on the erase one, I can erase any particular text. That one also we can do that thing. Okay, if I want to erase this one as well, first of all, I want to select this one fully. So I'll cover the full cloud or full text or whatever it is in that particular area. I'll hide that particular portion. Yeah, right now, if I want to draw an elliptical, but I wanted to change the color of that one, I want to highlight that one in red color. So yeah, simply we can do that thing. We can increase the thickness from right there as well. Like if I click one more cloud, yeah, that way we can do that thing. If I want to add the tag for this one, so what I'll do, I'll click on add tag. I'll go right there at my thing, whatever I have marked as a cloud, and I can click on right there inside that one. This is my tag one, and I can type right there that this is cloud one, whatever I'm giving the comment. Now, right there, I can give the status of that particular comment as well. Like why I have given this comment because it was the clash, the new one, active clash or active comment, or is approved one, or is resolved one. That's the different thing. But I can comment right there what it is. Okay, okay, it is not cloud. This cloud. Yeah. So right now I'm making it as one. Now for this one, I click inside that particular uh, uh, what I can say, the range of that particular one, and I'll give it cloud 2. Okay, so we have marked two options right there, cloud 1 and cloud 2. What does it mean? We'll see. And viewpoint right there, if I click on that one, okay, we did not create the saved viewpoint of that one. No worries. I have saved in that particular one. If I'll right click, update it, if I'll zoom in, like zoom out, it'll show me the latest one. But yeah, we can go with different kind of um, viewpoint with that one as well. Okay, that was not the point of showing the tags things. What I want to show you already shown, I guess you got the point how we can add the tags as well. Now the final option is view comments. That's for viewing thing that we already commented the tags right, that you can see. If I'll click on the comments right there below, sorry, that we added the cloud 1, cloud 2, and on that basis we can find from right there. So if there are a lot of comments, I can search from right there, that search for cloud 1. Okay, and match cache as well, and status is new, whatever you did, whatever detail we can go with that one. If I'll press enter, you can see that it is showing me the door is clashing with column 1, that was tag 1 and cloud 1, the time, author, whatever it is, it'll show me like that way. Okay, if I'll go with cloud 2 and enter, it'll show me that it's tag 2, cloud 2, something like that. It will show me the detail, and on that basis I can highlight with the comment ID or those kind of things. I can move on to that particular area as well. So that is the way how we can go with the measure command, how we can go with the markup things, tags, and we can review the comments as well. And all those kind of points we can save in saved viewpoints and from right there as well, we can review all the viewpoints while we are updating the comments on that one. So that's all about the review command, review tab of NavisWorks. We'll discuss about more features of NavisWorks in our upcoming videos. Thanks a lot guys for watching this video. Let's meet in my next video.